This is Abhinav from class 6. Today I am going to explain about electric energy. Electric energy is one of the most important form of the energy for our modern people. It can be generated variety of sources like solar, wind and etc. Electric energy is commonly used form of the energy. Electric energy can transported over a long distance to a low impact on environment. When the energy passes through an electric model, it acts in a circular motion which is used to running a ceiling fan, juicers and etc. It is used in heating devices such as heaters, geysers and etc. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.